This is the first physically based holographic shader. All you need to make the holographic shader work is a light source. For example, let's use a basic studio HDRi map. You can see how multiple light sources are reflected in our sphere. These reflections are exactly what creates the holographic effect, just like in real life. Let's add a bit of noise. Now increase the dispersion step and boost the refraction intensity. That's it. You can now see how the light bends and creates real dispersion without the need to fake it with colored images or complicated lighting setups. We can also tweak more settings, size, softness, and even add a wave pattern to reveal the grid-like structure. You can see how fast it runs in the viewport. You don't need UVs. Our material works right out of the box with any model and can be combined with other textures. Just drag the texture file into your project and choose it from your materials list. Years of development turned into one perfect material that accurately mimics real-world light dispersion. And now you can get it for just $5. Available now on Gumroad. Link in the description.